Unboxing these jewels, got the flex on my mind. Perfect.
Okay, so I apparently bought something. Okay, so let's see what's in here. If it isn't obvious already. I should have known better. So all I gotta do is peel the tab and feel the sizzle. Damn. All right, peel, sizzle test. Oh man, that's not as sizzly as the Apple stuff. I mean, it was just like, there was no sizzle, man. What do we have here? Damn. All right, we got this. This is gonna be the fastest unboxing ever. Man, why has that got black stuff in it? Has it been used already? Hope no. So as you guys probably see here, I've got myself a new pair of headphones. Okay, what we have here, we have a USB-C cable. Bada bing, bada boom, right there. USB-C. What else do we have in here? We got extra earbuds. Oh my gosh, I mean, look at the size of that one. I mean, how big are your goddamn ears gonna be to have like earbud tips that big? Sweet Jesus, that's like, it's massive. It looks like that. Bada bing, bada boom. That's nice. You got 6 of them in there, excluding the ones on here as well. All right. Whoa. Okay. This is the most basic packaging that I've seen from. Obviously, Beats are owned by Apple, but I think they've kept the most prestigious unboxing experience for their own devices here. Because I was surprised, not in a good way, that the sizzle test. This didn't have a sizzle test, man. Can't believe it. But Beats X or Beats Flex, there used to be a Beats X. This is literally my second pair of Beats headphones. I used to have the originals over the ear headphones, but these are earbuds. I normally don't like putting things in my ear, but I've had a problem. Going to the gym and stuff, I need something like this. So let's take this out. Damn. Okay, just squeeze that out. Look at that. Bada bing, bada boom. I have no idea if these are gonna be any good or not. What's this nonsense? Apple ink, yes. Okay, get rid of that. It's a bit more of a fiddly experience when compared to actual Apple stuff. Did Apple do this on purpose? To reserve the sizzle for their own stuff. Get rid of that. All right. So you got 6 tips in there of different sizes. I guess one of these is gonna fit my ear because I always have issues trying to fit these in my goddamn ear. But hey, there we go. And I went for the yellow options. I should have gone for the blue to be fair, but I just thought, you know what, let me go with the yellow. Ooh, that's magnetic, okay. That's very satisfying. Oh, I could do that all day, all right. So I guess let's pair these with my phone and stuff. But let's do the fit test to see if it fits. So these are wireless wired earbuds. Make that make sense. These cost like $50 or £50. They're quite cheap. I figured for the gym, for my gym, this is gonna be fine. It's got loads of markings on this one. Nothing too serious. Okay. Which one's right? Which one's left? I don't know. Which way did I put them on? Like, how do you know which one's left and which one? Okay. It's probably gonna tell me on here. Okay, right, left. Okay, I get it. Something like that. And then these. Ooh. Oh my gosh, look, straight out. See, I got one of those funky ass ears here where nothing stays in my ear. It's literally, I can feel it like it's gonna fall out any second now. 3, 2, 1. It's literally, if I do that, it's gonna come out. This is so bad. I mean, I just wasted £50. I can never get earphones to stick in my, look, it's coming out. Look, just like that, it's gone. Look at F, man. That's before I even get into the goddamn gym. Is it because these are too fat? I could just feel it moving out of my ear. Okay. Can I change the tips? Take these out and try a different one. Maybe, oh fuck. Maybe these are too fat for my ears. Okay, let's try let's try a different pair. Oh my gosh. All right, let's try smaller ones here. Maybe it's got tiny ear holes or something. This is fiddly AF. Okay, let's try that. See if that fits better. That seems a little bit better. That's staying. It's not coming out. All right. Uh-oh, it's moving. Oh, this is gonna be a disaster. Like, I ain't even gone to the gym. I'm even jumping up and down here. Okay, let's put this one back in. Let's see if this one works. Okay. Will it stay? That's the question, isn't it? All right, let's go. Let's try and pair these with my eye. Oh no, the battery in that one has died. All right, I want to save these. All right, let's try and pair these. So I got my USB charging cable here. It's not very long. Look how thin that is. Look at how short that is. Oh my gosh. All right, plug this in here. Oh, I forgot. The iPhone 11 is not USB-C. It's still lightning. I mean, bloody hell. Oh, let me find a lightning cable. Okay, let's try this. I don't even know why I got this in the first place. Didn't need it. All right, so this is charging. I got 4 lights on there, but I'm not seeing any charging. Okay, it's charging now. All right, so let's pair these with my phone. How do I pair them? I don't know. All day. Okay, on device. How do I pair them? We got user manuals here. Okay, they look a little something like that. Of course, you get the Beats stickers. I don't know anyone who like sticks this on their stuff, but okay. So now pair, try Apple Music free. Okay, I already paid for it, so that ain't gonna be for me. Got all this random stuff, user manuals that no one ever reads, so let's put those away. All right, let's see what it says here on how to pair. Press power button for 1 second to power Beats. Okay, which one's the power button? I guess they're on. Ooh, look at that. Beats Flex, you got the animation here, look. I guess let the pairing begin. Okay, so connect. It's connecting. Okay, I heard something. I guess pairing is confirmed. I love how the animation is the same color as the actual headphones as well. That's kind of cool. It's color matched perfectly. All right, what's the first track I'm gonna play? Should I play Cormega? Okay, I'm gonna play Na Nina by Umpumi. Okay, let's go. Ooh, okay. They sound quite good. Obviously, these are Beats headphones, yeah? They're known for being a bit on the bassy side. I definitely hear that. You don't buy these if you're an audiophile. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spend at least a week or two basically using these every day, and then I'll get back to you on my findings. I think that'll be a better review than just me doing it right now, because I've just literally opened the box and I've had no time to play around with it. So I don't feel like I'll be giving you a full, a proper review, because I spent no time with it. So in about a week or two, I'll do another video, and then we'll see how these kind of like fit into my lifestyle. Did I just waste 50 pounds or $50 or whatever it is? Oh my gosh. But let's find out in a week or two. So thanks for watching, people. And before you leave though, feel free to watch these other videos, which I think you guys might like. Like as always, like, share, subscribing, and thanks to my most recent subscribers, by the way, and also some of you really lovely comments as well. I'll read them out all in the next video. Okay, so thank you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Whew, headphones. These things do not like my ear holes. I think I got like probably the smallest ear holes in the world, or they just do not like things in them. But yeah.
I cracked that box, yeah, feeling so right. Yellow Beats Flex, about to light up my night. Tearing off the seal, it's like a gold find. Unboxing these jewels, got the flex on my mind. Perfect match for the hustle, no fronting on the grind. Never miss a beat, singing fresh.